how to put your bot from Botpress to Framer. So first, go to Botpress and then click on web chat here at the left side. Then click on share and then look for embed code and then just copy it. Then go to Framer. Now open one of your projects here in Framer. Okay. Now once you've opened one of them, just click on insert here at the top. Then search for embed. Then click on embed. Okay. Now just drag it wherever you want it to show. I'll just drag it here in the middle, and then scroll down here at the right, and then click on HTML. Then paste the code. Then click anywhere. Then you'll see an icon show up here. So to check if this works, click on preview. Click on the icon. Then try chatting with your bot. So I'll just say hi. And there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.